Patent illegality. It is one of the limited grounds available to challenge the domestic awards of Arbitration Act, not available to foreign awards. It is first added as an additional ground by the court in the year 2003 through the judgment of ONGC versus Saw Pipes. By then, it was not part of the statute. In the year 2015, through amendment, it has been added via section 34 to clause A. Patent illegality appearing on the face of the award is a ground to challenge the domestic award. Exclusions are there. What is that? Erroneous applying the law is not a ground. Court cannot reappreciate the evidence. These two are the exclusions. Sangyang judgment of 2019 expanded the scope by giving 3 subgrounds. Number 1 is wandering outside the contract, otherwise jurisdictional error. Subjects not allotted to him was dealt by the tribunal, then it is called wandering outside the contract or jurisdictional error. Perversity, which is earlier ground of the public policy of India, now it is a ground of the patent illegality. What is perversity? Giving finding on no evidence at all and documents taken behind the back of the parties. Basing on the documents, finding has been given, then it is also perversity. And patent illegality means finding based on ignoring vital evidence. If findings given ignoring vital evidence, it is also perversity. The other one is not giving reasons for passing the award. According to section 31 clause 3, reasons should be passed for passing the award. If that is violated, no reasons are given, then it is a ground to challenge the arbitral awards. So this is all about patent illegality.